How to limit sensitive or inappropriate content on TikTok? You can enable restricted mode in just a few steps. First, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu at the top right. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Here you will find the option called Restricted Mode. Tap on it, then select Turn on Restricted Mode. You may be asked to set a passcode to prevent others from turning it off. Once enabled, TikTok will automatically filter out videos that may contain sensitive, mature, or inappropriate content from your For You page. If you ever want to disable it, just go back to the same setting and enter your passcode. And that's it. You've successfully enabled restricted mode on TikTok for a safer browsing experience. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok safety tips, tricks, and how-to guides.